Imagine you're baking cookies, and the recipe calls for a dozen eggs. You don't count each egg. You grab a carton because you know a dozen means 12. In chemistry, we have a similar concept, but instead of a dozen, we use something called a mole. A mole is a unit that helps us count the incredibly tiny particles that make up everything around us, atoms and molecules. So, what exactly is a mole? A mole represents 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd of something, whether that's atoms, molecules, or even marbles. This number is known as Avogadro's number, and it's crucial because it allows chemists to work with quantities that are visible and tangible. For instance, 1 mole of water molecules is about 18 grams, roughly the weight of a spoonful of water. By using the mole, we can easily convert between the atomic scale and the macroscopic scale we interact with daily. But why is the mole so important in chemistry? Let's take a chemical reaction as an example. When hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water, chemists use the mole concept to determine exactly how much of each substance is needed. This helps in understanding stoichiometry, which is all about the precise balance of ingredients in a chemical reaction. The mole also plays a vital role in determining chemical formulas, calculating concentrations, and even in industrial processes where precision is key. Let's see this in action. Imagine you have 2 moles of hydrogen reacting with 1 mole of oxygen. Using the mole concept, you can calculate that this reaction will produce exactly 2 moles of water. This step-by-step calculation helps chemists predict and measure the outcomes of reactions with accuracy. To wrap it up, the mole is more than just a number. It's a bridge that connects the atomic world with the one we live in. By understanding the mole, we gain the ability to manipulate and measure substances with incredible precision, making it a cornerstone of chemistry. So, next time you think of a mole, remember it's the key to unlocking the mysteries of the molecular world.